Spanish food is often regarded as some of the most delicious cuisine in the world, and there are several compelling reasons behind this culinary reputation. One of the key factors that makes Spanish food so incredibly delicious is its rich and diverse range of flavors. Spain's history as a crossroads of cultures has contributed to an extraordinary blend of influences. The Moors, Romans, and various other civilizations have all left their mark on Spanish cuisine. This fusion of cultures has given rise to a unique culinary tapestry that's both familiar and tantalizingly different. At the heart of Spanish food's deliciousness is the emphasis on high quality ingredients. Spaniards have a deep appreciation for fresh, seasonal produce, which forms the foundation of their dishes. Whether it's the succulent seafood from the coasts, the robust flavors of cured meats, or the vibrant array of vegetables, the commitment to quality ingredients shines through in every bite. Spanish cuisine excels in its ability to transform simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes. The concept of less is more is often showcased here. Many iconic Spanish recipes rely on just a few ingredients, allowing the natural flavors to shine through. This simplicity doesn't compromise on taste, rather, it elevates it to a level that's both authentic and astonishingly satisfying. Spaniards are known for their passionate approach to cooking. Food isn't just sustenance, it's an art form and an expression of love. This passion translates into every step of the cooking process, from the selection of ingredients to the meticulous preparation. It's this dedication to the craft that infuses Spanish dishes with a depth of flavor that's hard to replicate. Spanish cooking techniques are as varied as the regions themselves, from the art of tapas, which encourages sharing and exploration, to the labor-intensive creation of paella in a wide pan. Each method adds a layer of authenticity and character to the food. Many recipes have been passed down through generations, ensuring that time-honored traditions are upheld and celebrated. Spanish olive oil and wine are legendary contributors to the exceptional taste of Spanish food. Olive oil is a cornerstone of Spanish cooking, enhancing flavors and adding a distinct richness. Spain's wine culture is equally robust, with vineyards producing an impressive array of wine that perfectly complement and enhance the flavor of the food. Food isn't just consumed in Spain, it's shared and celebrated. Meals are social occasions, and the act of sharing a table is a way to connect with loved ones. The Spanish value of leisurely dining allows for an immersive experience where every flavor is savored and every moment is relished. In the end, Spanish food's unparalleled deliciousness is a harmonious blend of history, culture, passion, and culinary artistry. It's a cuisine that captures the essence of the land, the people, and the vibrant tapestry of flavors that make it a true global culinary treasure. Now, let's talk about why Spanish tapas are so beloved and what makes Spanish food so incredibly delicious. Imagine sitting at a lively Spanish bar, sipping on your favorite drink, and being presented with a mouth-watering array of small, enticing dishes. These are tapas, a culinary custom that goes beyond just food. Tapas have deep cultural roots in Spain. The word tapa actually means lid or cover in Spanish. It's said that slices of bread or ham were used to cover drinks to keep flies away, which eventually evolved into the tradition of serving small snacks with drinks. Over time, tapas turned into an integral part of Spanish food culture and a way for people to gather, eat, and share. The magic of tapas lies in their diversity, from olives and cheeses to elaborate seafood and veggies. Tapas offer a taste adventure. They encourage sharing and conversation as friends and family gather around the table, each dish a conversation starter. Tapas offer a chance to try a little bit of everything, a tapas-sized journey into the world of Spanish flavors. This love for tasting and sharing is deeply woven into the fabric of Spanish life. The mouth-watering deliciousness of Spanish food comes from several key factors. Top-notch ingredients. Spanish cuisine starts with the freshest and finest ingredients, whether it's the seafood from coastal areas or the rich flavor of cured meat. Spanish cooks begin with quality. Culinary heritage. Spanish food is like a storybook, with influences from various cultures and historical events. From the Moors to the Romans, these cultural exchanges have shaped the unique flavors of Spanish dishes. Variety across regions. Spain's landscapes and climate diversity create a treasure trove of flavors. Every region has its specialties, capturing local produce and traditions. Passion and tradition. There's an immense passion for food in Spain, a respect for traditions that have been passed down through generations. This ensures that the true essence of flavors is preserved. Cooking techniques. Spanish cuisine employs a range of cooking methods, from grilling to slow cooking, creating layers of taste. Iconic dishes like paella, cooked in large pans, develop a complexity that's irresistible. Spain is undoubtedly a seafood lover's paradise, a coastal haven where the bounty of the sea meets the culinary artistry of its people. From the northern shores of Galicia to the sun-soaked Mediterranean coast, Spain's maritime heritage is deeply intertwined with its cuisine, making it one of the best places to visit for seafood enthusiasts seeking an unforgettable gastronomic experience. Picture this, you're strolling along the vibrant streets of Vigo in Galicia, the air filled with a tantalizing aroma of fresh seafood being prepared. Galicia, known as the land of a thousand rivers, boasts an intricate network of estuaries, creating a nurturing environment for an array of marine delights. From succulent octopus to plump mussels, Galicia's seafood offerings are not just a meal, they're a testament to centuries of maritime tradition. Moving along the coast to the Basque Country, you find yourself in San Sebastian, a city celebrated for its world-class cuisine. Here you're immersed in the flavors of the sea in ways you'd never thought possible. The Basque people are culinary pioneers, and their treatment of seafood is no exception. The catch of the day is transformed into innovative dishes that both honor traditions and push culinary boundaries. The Basque cheesecake, also known as burnt cheesecake, is a culinary masterpiece that has taken the dessert world by storm. Originating in the Basque Country, particularly in the city of San Sebastian, this unconventional take on the classic cheesecake has captured the hearts and taste buds of food enthusiasts worldwide. Imagine sinking your fork into a slice of Basque cheesecake, which you encounter is a delightful contrast between the caramelized, slightly burnt exterior and the velvety, creamy interior. This cake defies the norms of traditional cheesecakes with its intentionally caramelized top and rustic appearance reminiscent of a beautifully cracked crust. As you continue your journey southward, the Mediterranean beckons. In Valencia, the scent of paella fills the air, a dish that showcases the diverse treasures of the sea. This iconic Spanish rice dish, brimming with tender shrimp, mussels, and squid, encapsulates the essence of coastal living. Each bite transports you to the shimmering waters just beyond the horizon. The charm of Spanish seafood isn't just in taste, it's also in the experience. Imagine savoring grilled sardines on a beach in Malaga, the salty breeze in your hair, and the rhythmic crashing of waves as your soundtrack. Or consider the joy of navigating bustling seafood markets in Barcelona, where fishermen display their morning hauls like treasures from the deep. But it's not only the freshness and variety of seafood that makes Spain exceptional, it's the connection between the people, the land, and the sea. For centuries, Spanish communities have depended on the ocean for sustenance and livelihood. This heritage is celebrated in coastal festivals that honor not only the bounty of the sea but also the bonds of community. So why is Spain one of the best places to visit if you love seafood? It's because Spain transforms seafood into art, heritage, and celebration. It's the vibrant markets, the quaint seaside taverns, and the Michelin-starred restaurants that take you on a culinary journey to the deep blue. It's the taste of history, culture, and passion on your plate with every succulent bite. From the raw beauty of Galicia to the Mediterranean elegance of Catalonia, Spain is a symphony of flavors for seafood aficionados, inviting you to savor the essence of the sea in ways that only this enchanting country can offer. Thank you all for joining me on this journey through the delectable world of Spanish culinary delights. From the captivating coastal towns of Galicia to the vibrant tapas culture of Andalusia, Spain has proven itself as a paradise for food enthusiasts. We've explored the enchanting realm of Spanish seafood, a treasure trove of flavors harvested from its extensive coastline. And let's not forget the irresistible Basque cheesecake, a sweet revelation that challenges conventions and tantalizes the taste buds. But what truly sets Spanish cuisine apart is the harmonious symphony of flavors, techniques, and cultural influences. It's a cuisine that invites you to savor each bite, celebrate the joys of communal dining, and embrace the passions of rich culinary heritage. The dedication to quality ingredients, the art of simplicity, and the warmth of shared meals are woven into the fabric of Spanish life. So, whether you're indulging in the vibrant street food culture, sipping wine amidst breathtaking landscapes, or relishing the creamy perfection of a Basque cheesecake, Spanish cuisine offers an unparalleled gastronomic adventure. It's a journey that speaks to the heart and the palate, reminding us that food isn't just sustenance, it's an expression of culture, history, and the joys of being alive. Thank you again for joining me on this mouth-watering exploration. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting culinary journeys around the world. Until next time, amigos, keep exploring, keep savoring, and keep celebrating the flavors that makes life truly delicious.